Welcome to JH. I have been using the Haycone ultrasonic pest repeller, and the first thing I noticed is how incredibly simple the setup is. You literally just plug it in and it starts working immediately, which is perfect for those of us whose technical skills peak at operating a toaster. There are no complicated steps or those delightful, messy traps that usually end up catching your own finger instead of a mouse. It runs quietly, so it doesn't interfere with your daily life. And I really appreciate that it uses sound waves instead of turning your living room into a chemical warfare zone. Because we all know there's nothing quite like the smell of toxic fumes to start the morning, right? This makes it feel much safer to use around family and pets who haven't quite learned not to lick every surface in the house. After a short time, I noticed significantly fewer insects and absolutely no signs of rodents in the areas where it's plugged in, making the space feel much more comfortable. Another thing I like about the Haycone is that it covers a generous amount of space, so you don't need to buy a dozen devices to cover one tiny apartment. It gives you that rare peace of mind knowing it's working in the background without needing constant attention or expensive replacement parts, unlike your car or your houseplants. I also like the compact design that doesn't hog the entire outlet, leaving room for things you actually need, like a phone charger. Overall, it's an effective and hassle-free solution that keeps pests away naturally, making it a solid choice for anyone who prefers their roommates to be human.